Time to test your sleuthing skills. Man detective magnifying glass tilted left. Here's the riddle. One day a dangerous criminal escaped from prison. The guards followed him and almost caught him, but the criminal snuck into a hospital and pretended to be one of the doctors. The guards ran into the emergency room and spotted the criminal right away. Can you find the criminal? Light bulb, you've got 10 seconds to crack the case. Here's the answer. The criminal is option B because he's holding the clipboard upside down. Astonished face man detective. How did you do? Let us know in the comments. And stay tuned for more brain teasers.
Riddle time challenge. Think you've got sharp detective skills? Here's your riddle. Mrs. Emma, a principal, was investigating thefts at school. She questioned 3 students. Mason, I had to leave my last lesson because I was sick. William, I was in my Dutch lesson. I'm going to Denmark next week. Jaden, I went to an extra baseball lesson. Mrs. Emma found one of them lying. Can you figure out who it is? You have 10 seconds to solve it. Check out the clues and spot the liar. Ready? Go. Answer: William is lying. He mentioned Dutch for Denmark, but it's Danish spoken in Denmark. How did you do? Drop your answer in the comments.
Here's a fun way to get your viewers excited. Riddle challenge. Time to test your sleuthing skills. Walter calls the police claiming a werewolf bit one of his sisters, but he's not sure who. The police interview Andrea, Judy, and Kayla. Each gives an alibi, but only one is hiding the truth. You've got 10 seconds to figure out which sister is the werewolf. Ready, set, go. After the time's up. Time's up. The werewolf is Andrea. Her clothes are torn, she has cut marks, and there's blood, classic signs of a werewolf's true form. Here's a lively and engaging way to ask your viewers to solve the riddle. Riddle challenge. Hey, riddle solvers. Leon threw an epic Halloween party at his mansion, but guess what? One of his most valuable paintings has vanished. He's reviewed the surveillance footage and heard these excuses from his guests. Guest 1, I broke my arm right before the party. I got an X-ray and everything. Guest 2, I collect antique furniture. Why would I need a painting? Guest 3, I was searching for the restroom, it was an emergency, so I checked every room upstairs. Can you spot who's not being truthful? You have 10 seconds to solve this mystery. Ready, set, go. Time's up. The culprit is guest 1. The X-ray is of his right hand, but he claimed he broke his left arm. Busted.